Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rewrite text in a PDF text box using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor and I will text new text in this text box. Click on this home option and here you will find this edit option. Click on this down arrow and select a text. Now click on this text box and see this text box now active, and click on this top line and press enter key. You can type new text or paste your text for your document, and also you can type text here and press enter key, type text, and also you can remove text here. Yeah, this is in this you can activate text box and type new text on your text box. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.